l-unboxing tal-famuża coffee machine, moti jgħalli jenna minna l-Ultimate, thank you Matthew, pal-dejjem. Emmek għandek PhD kif tamel kafe b'dil-magna.
Għani grad, Matthew, thank you.
Għani grad, Matthew, thank you. Għasibrella fuq plastiku biex nawa sew. Guys, I have it on very good authority that this machine makes incredible coffee. And now call ovvjament Zot Coffee! Il-guests li ħajġu mix full karti sanikom issa you're gonna be treated to fantastic coffee.
One sweet, the money.
Okay.
I'm gonna nod. Petra, don't get this.
Hit it. Nfakrukom 12 ta' Mejju, mix full karti ħajkun hemm jien u ħajkun hemm l-oħra u Abigail, ħalli nħud listi dekara ħelu għalax. Tada! Mallija, illum ġejtin, inti ħrabt. So, we're even. Woo!